Butterfly eggs can be of different shapes and textures depending on the species, and it takes few days to few weeks to hatch to a caterpillar depending on the species and the weather conditions. As soon as the caterpillar emerges from the egg, it starts eating the host plant's leaves. It can grow up to 100 times larger than when it emerged from the egg. It keeps on eating till the time it is about to pupate. In this duration, it sheds its skin 4 to 5 times to allow its body to grow. This process is called molting. When it is ready to pupate, which may take few weeks to months depending on the species and the weather condition, it stops eating, curls it up and attaches itself to the plant. It stays in this condition for a long period, preparing itself to pupate. Here starts the magic. It pupates in few minutes. The movement inside pupa stops in some time, and once it settles down, it does not move for next few days, weeks or months depending on the species and the weather condition. Once pupa matures, you can see the wings inside the pupa. Inside the hardened case, which protects pupa from predators and extreme weather conditions, the tissues, limbs and organs of the butterfly transform. In this case, after 11 days of the pupa formation, the butterfly is about to emerge and you can see the cracking of the outer shell. Here comes the second magic of nature, the emergence of butterfly from pupa. Once it emerges, it doesn't fly immediately because its wings are wet, soft and wrinkled. It waits for few hours to dry up and straighten its wings. In this duration, hemolymph flows properly through its wings. Once it gains strength, it takes its first flight in search of nectar and to reproduce for the rest of its life.